Hey everybody, how you doing? If you like the video, hit subscribe. I appreciate it.
I like peanut butter. I like peanut butter. Peanut butter. I like.
Hey everybody, how's it going? Check it out. Way back in 2013, I bought a Nexus 7 tablet. It was pretty cool, right? Worked very good. I used it for a while. And essentially, man, most tablets are just big cell phones anyway, right? So I used it for a long time and I really like it. It's still one of my favorite tablets out there. Problem is that it developed an annoying issue that a lot of people seem to be experiencing where it would just turn off and then you couldn't turn it back on. And then it wouldn't charge. And it was sad. So basically to boil down to, this Nexus 7 wound up going in a drawer for a while because I couldn't turn it on, I couldn't charge it. I actually took it apart because the problem for me was that the USB connectivity that you have right here, which allows you to charge and do data transfer, it just basically stopped working. Yep, see, it'd get really loose, right? And then you'd plug in your cable to try to charge it, and then nothing happens. So let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. Can you see the charging icon anywhere? No. So you're like trying to hold a cable in one way or the other, trying to get it to stay, and you're trying to like, oh, if I hold it like this, it'll charge. Fold it like. So anyway, I took it apart and I fixed it, and it worked great for like a week. And then I got angry and I put it away. So yeah, pretty much that was about it. So anyway, I found a fix, and it's a common fix that you can fix. I don't think a lot of people have remembered or thought about it. Anyway, it doesn't matter. The fix is pretty simple. The fix is to use something like this. This is a wireless charger. See? This one's made by RAV Power. Here's the back of the box. Here's the side, whatever, right? It's a wireless charger. And what the deal is it's pretty simple, and it works pretty well. Here's what it is. So it's rubbery, it has a grippy thing on the back. Very important for me is the fact that it actually has the actual USB cables physically connected to it. So you don't have to provide your own cable to make sure that it has the correct run of juice. Because when you are using these wireless charging pads, they gotta be correct. As in, the wall charger needs to be the one that came with your product, like your tablet. The cable needs to be good. Everything needs to match so that you can provide the proper charging juice to this pig so it can charge up this pig. So, I found this, $8 on the internet, and after doing a little bit of research, it does do quick charging. It basically provides the correct amount of juice to my Nexus 7 2013 FHD edition, and guess what? It actually works. It charges. Hear that? So, after taking this and basically sticking it on the back of this and letting it sit there for a while, I came back and looked, and like 6 hours later, hey, it was charging. I don't know if I can show you. Can you see the icon? I don't know if the icon's there or not. Can you see that little lightning bolt? It's like right over here. Wait, right there. So, I let it sit, walked away, came back, and guess what? It works. It charges. I'm good to go. Now, I can actually use my tablet back in my van the way I want to, and life is good. So if you have one of these and it doesn't charge anymore, maybe you might want to risk spending the $8 on this from like Amazon, put it down, let it charge for about, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes, try to turn it on. If it doesn't turn on but you get the charging icon, then you're good. Just let it set and fully charge, and then whenever you need it, charge it. Now as far as data transfer, you're not going to be able to do that through this anymore, but you can do it through Wi-Fi if you have that sort of thing. Use Google Drive, use something. But anyway, this was my $8 fix for the Nexus 7 2013 that would not turn on or charge anymore. Yeah. Now, here's the thing. I'm a relatively smart guy. I tried that a long time ago and I actually bought the Nexus version or the Google version, right? And it did the same thing. Got loose, wouldn't charge. Turned into a piece of crap. Yeah, and my thought was, if I utilize this style where the cable is built into it, I won't have that problem. And so far, I have not had that problem. So I've been very happy to get my tablet back and use it back in the Great White Buffalo, my simple DIY camper van, and put it back to work. So that's the reason, it is what it is. So, yeah, and it's good. So if you're looking for something like this, or if you're trying to find out which one you need, this one actually does work with the Nexus 7. It also works with some other stuff too. I'll put a link in the description. So yeah, there you go. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. If you like this video, a little thumbs up action would be great. If you do subscribe, turn on post notifications, because if you don't, you'll never know when I post a video. But hey, man, I post them all the time. Got new content all the time. So if you enjoyed this worthless video, let me know. Anyway, see you later. Take it easy. Bye-bye.
I like peanut butter. I like peanut butter. Peanut butter.